Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. So once you open it up, you can go and you can pick a different design, anything, theme that you want. So I'm going to choose this one and we're going to go to Create. Once you get on here, you can go to your Design tab. You can pick different colors for your theme that you have, or you can pick a completely new theme if you don't like the one that you have added. So I think I'm just going to keep this one. So this assignment is going to be on our favorite food. So we're just going to put my favorite food here, and we'll put our names here. Then we're going to go here and do a new slide. If you click this down arrow, you can pick a different type of slide. I'm just going to keep this one that we have because I think it works for what we're doing. So click to add title. We're going to put what our favorite food is. I'm going to do pizza. And here we can go and we can pick how we want to upload a photo, or if we're going to do a graph. If you click this button here, you can do online pictures, so you don't have to go and you don't have to download a photo. You can just have it all right here. So if I type in pizza, it'll give me pictures of pizza. So I'm going to just click on this one and do insert. And we're going to put it over here to the side because we're going to put some text next to it here. So here on the side, it gives you like different things that you can change your theme. So I actually think I'm going to change mine to something like this. So on the side here, I can add, what my text is going to be. So for this text, I'm going to put my favorite pizza toppings, pepperoni and bacon. So once you have your slides all finished, we're going to go up to this button, and this is the Save button. We're going to save it on to our desktop, which is already selected, and we're going to save it as our favorite food project. And then you're just going to hit Save. And once it changes up here, you'll see that it's saved because it changed your title and everything. And then so once we get out of here, your PowerPoint is right here for you. And that's how you use Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.